The title of this poem is called Strange Eyes. We locked eyes for a moment. I remember being terrified. It was a bizarre occurrence by some demonic force. I felt a shiver, then a surge, with the urge to say a prayer. Drug-induced, demon-possessed, an unresponsive state. Her gait was sluggish, her talk was rubbish. Reeking of urine and feces made me want to puke. I got spooked and backed away, crossed the other side. Her eyes stared at me, crying out for help. Call the bishop and archbishop. Call the priest and the prophet. Call the pastor. Call the evangelist. And call the clergy. This poor soul is lost in an unpredictable world. The parables of drug addiction swallows a community. You're somebody's star. You're somebody's miracle child. You're somebody's answer to a prayer. You're somebody's gift to the world.